Well, it's been a while, people. Over a month, man. Crazy. Now, the thing is, I've been so busy, right? My hands are covered in oil because, for the first time ever, chain fell off as I was pulling out my house. So, yeah, wish I had my gloves on today, but it's too sunny for gloves. But I've been just incredibly busy, but busy in the best possible way. I can't talk about it yet, but some exciting stuff, and I promise you as soon as I can, I will. But yeah, it just feels good to be out on a bike. I've got a week off from work because it's my birthday in a few days. So, I'm enjoying my time. And the thing is, the weather is insane. So it's about 26, 27 degrees today. And then tomorrow it's like 28 degrees, something like that. Absolutely madness. So I'm hopped up on antihistamine. Got nose spray in. And I'm ready for the summer. Now I thought, what's a good return video? And what's a good thing to do on your day off? So I thought, it's time for Jay's Hidden Gems. Some of you may know this, some of you may not know this, but I am an absolute breakfast demon. I am always looking for places to get a bloody nice breakfast. And me and my girlfriend found this place a few weeks back, so I thought I'd share it with you. And it's a nice little ride. Well, it's a nice little ride, I'd say 70% of the way, because there's some road riding like this. Obviously I don't actually have to do this little bit of the road ride, but I choose to. Oh, you're joking me. And this is new. This one here yesterday. Came down this road yesterday. Wasn't here. But yeah, I choose to do this way. One, because it's quicker to get on at this bit of the cycle path. But also, I like testing the bike on that hill, even though I've tested it on that hill like a million times now. But yeah, this place we're going to, absolutely gorgeous. And the thing is with it, I'm a stickler for breakfasts. So if you're advertising a full English breakfast and you don't have black pudding and you don't have hash browns, I'm sorry, it's just simply not an English breakfast. It's a breakfast, just not a full English. And this place ticks all those boxes. And their hash browns are to die for. I bloody love baked beans, right? But not watery baked beans. You know when your mum used to make you baked beans as a kid and she'd just chuck them in a bowl in the microwave? And they're hot. They're baked beans, but they're just a little bit watery. You know, that is not the life for me. I need some thick sauce. You know what I mean? And this place also ticks that box. So the route to get here, for all of you people, is probably the easiest way if you're coming down to Bristol to go on the cycle track in Bristol and Bath, is head to Warmley Waiting Rooms, and with Warmley Waiting Rooms on your left hand side, carry straight down to Bath. And eventually you'll come out down here. I just go the back roads because I know the area well, but if you're down here, you're probably down here to see the cycle track, so you might as well come on the cycle track. And eventually you'll get here and you just want to keep going directly to Bath. And we're not going to Bath, but this is the route. This is the route. And as you know, we've gone down this way many a time. And you'll probably notice as well, if you can see the screen, I'm only on 3. I'm just on a casual cycle, 13.5 miles an hour. Trying to enjoy the sun. But as we ride down here, guys, how have you all been? You all been good? I'm very, very sorry that I haven't been uploading. Honestly, I feel like I'm saying that all the time. But sometimes life gets in the way. Life just gets in the way. And trying to find time to, go out for a cycle, record, then take it home, edit all the footage, all that kind of stuff. Just can't find the time for it. And it's so it's annoying because it's what I want to do more than anything is do that, because that would just be sick. Do that all day, go out for a cycle in the morning, edit in the afternoon. Sounds like bliss to me. Thanks very much. So this is where our path diverges. So you'll come down here to this place. And this, every time I used to come down here as a kid, I'm like, yeah, we're at Bitton Railway. This is not Bitton Railway. Bitton Railway is a little bit further. But this place is one of the main stops here. I'll stop and look at the sign and find out what it's actually called. Let's have a look. Bristol Parish Council, welcome. Avon Valley Railway, of course. So instead of going down there to carry on, we go straight down the car park. Ooh, speed bump. And another one. And we come out on this road. And we just carry on down here for a while. Straight over the roundabout, and we keep going. And down here, if you're a person that likes nature and plants and all that kind of stuff, down here is Fonthill Garden Centre. It's actually Fonthill, but for some reason I always call it Fonthill. It's Fonthill Garden Centre, very, very good garden centre. Got a couple of my bonsai trees in there. So yeah, very, very nice garden centre. Just got hit by a bee. Thankfully it didn't sting me. So now we're in Bitton. Some car is going to overtake me now. Some absolutely massive houses in Bitton. Some of you might be watching with bigger houses than these thinking, fucking hell, they're tiny. But for me, I'm looking at them like, god damn, that's a big ass house. Like, you look at them, you go, that guy definitely got his own office in the garden. Or gal. Guy or gal. Car desperately trying to overtake me behind. Big old Range Rover. Here he comes. Wee haw. So guys, we are very nearly there. Nice swift ride. And then we go down Golden Valley Lane. Up here. Oh, a nice I-20N there. Not as fast as my car. Right. And you come out this auspicious road. Very nice. If you're going to ride down here, not too much of a big deal. But if you drive, or like have a motorbike, something that makes a lot of noise, this is a very, very popular horse riding, it says right there, horse riding lane. It's actually called a quiet lane. So, if you come down here and something loud, be prepared. Because there might be some horses getting a bit pissy at you, you know what I mean? And especially the riders. So we're coming down here. It's actually just over there, but you've got to go all the way around to come into the front of it. Because I'm pretty sure this massive house on our right hand side is the owner's house. And here we are. This is Golden Valley Cafe. And there's usually an ostrich over here. But there he is. Holy crap, it's a bit busy today. Hello, ostrich. How's it going? Please do not pick the apples. No problem. As you can see, there's plenty of parking. Parking here, parking out there. Oh yeah, could I have a large breakfast, please?
Do you want fresh or tin tomatoes?
Can I not have any tomatoes, actually? That's fine. Can I have an extra sausage and extra bit of bacon, please? And white bread, please.
For now?
Yeah, could I have a bottle of apple juice as well, please? No, I'll just have the bottle, because I eat outside as well, if that's okay. Pound card, please. Thank you. Perfect.
Perfect, thank you. We'll bring it
Thanks
up
very
for
much.
you.
Cheers. That's all right. No.